What's up, YouTube? It's today we are back at Tower of Fun, and today you asked for it. It's pro mod time. Yep, pro mod time. This is not as hard as I expected. Also, there's actually no checkpoints, which is the hard thing. That yeah. Oh my, this looks cool. These are they're like lightsabers right now. Oh my gosh, this is so confusing. Ah, dang it. Oh, looks like that guy is going to easy mode. Drop one here for pro. We don't need that. We don't need that. Darn it. Alright, let's go back. We don't need that. Stupid ladder. No! I. Alright. Oh my. Alright. No. Oh my. I don't think so. Your move. Dang it. Whatever, we only got 2 more minutes. Man, these girls are not really high up there. I. Oh my gosh, I'm like a balloon right now. Yes. Okay. Oh. Both the same, so. Alrighty. I'm catching up to that other girl. Oh, the pink is actually down. I think she's actually really mad at the same time. Ooh, I'm not too sure about that. No, I can't trust it. Okay, these are getting really confusing. Alright, I'm on the top. That pink lady is catching up to me really, really fast. Yep, there she is. Oh my. No! 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 Whatever. The round is about to be over. So we can just make it quick like this. Alright. New round. We only got 6 more minutes, so let's make this quick. Girl's got some skills. Oh, the bunny. Okay. Yeah, just those. Eek. Okay. I think some people actually sold me. Let's just do this. Okay. I'm really like a balloon right now. I don't trust it. Still, don't trust it. Not there. You know what? You know what? I'll just jump off. Alright. Where am I? I'm right there with that pink girl hair. Yep, there she is. Wait, what? Wow. Wrong one. Okay. Go. Alright, only 4 more minutes. I'm halfway there. Wow. I am really getting up there. Focus. And I'm pretty sure. Uh, uh. Okay. I'm almost there, guys. Just. Oh! I. Oh, this is so hard. Okay, doing pretty good. Okay, that was close. That was really close, I almost. Where am I? I'm at that teeth guy. Or this guy's name is. Squeak. There is that guy. No, go away. Sorry. No. Okay, this might take a while. Okay, never mind. Gosh, I'm. Winner already? Oh, that means I'm close. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes! I'm the winner! Yes! I'm second place! Second place! Yeah! Let's go! Get out of my way! I'm the golden winner out here! No, go away! Yes! 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 This is all mine! Oh my gosh, it tastes so good. I'm gonna get inside the cup. Yes! That's what I'm talking about, Wayne. That's what I'm talking about, Wayne. Yeah, this is yours. This is mine. Hmm. Made it just in time. Just in time. Just in time. Not going down there. There's no way. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so I'll never miss a video. Anyways, what you like to see, make sure to subscribe. That way you won't miss any future videos. Catch you later.